Hi, this is Eric Chang. Welcome to Brookfield Amatech. A few evenings ago, my teenage daughter and I were munching down an apple after our dinner. She asked, "Dad, can that texture analyzer sitting in the garage test hardness and crunchiness of apple?" The answer is absolutely yes. I will show you in this video. Not only I'm measuring the hardness and crunchiness of apple, but also comparing their values. For this test, I'm using a 4mm flat probe. Alright. Now this test compresses the apple to a set distance and measure the amount of force required to break the apple skin and penetrate into the flesh. Now this will provide data on the hardness of the apple, which simulates the amount of force needed for human to bite an apple, measuring the fracturability, which helps determine the crispness of an apple or how crunchy the apple feels when bitten. So in this test, I'm using a CTX texture analyzer and also will be on a base table, a square base table, and a circular fixture. In this case, it's a door extensibility with a hole here in between so that the hold the apple in place, and a Magnus Taylor probe, a 4mm flat. So to start a test, choose external mode in CTX texture analyzer and click the search button, and the dark green will become light green when it's communication. Create test, go to compression, distance test, target value at 10mm, trigger load 20 gram force, test speed 2mm per second, probe MT-4F, that's for flat, and then generate a step. In this test, I'm going to call it apple test, and then save it. Give the product name called apple before I start, and then the batch will be honey crisp, which is going to be my first test, and then hit run, and the probe will come down and establish a trigger load, and then broke through a skin, and right now it's going into the apple, and it's done after 5 seconds or 10mm. The first test is done. To run a second test, simply replace the honey crisp apple with the Fuji apple. Go back to test, and then give it a name called Fuji, F-U-G-I, and then run the test. It's going to come down and then establish a trigger load and pierce into the apple skin. There's this much, it requires about 3000 gram force, and then into the apple, and when about 5 seconds, it is done. So as you can see from the graph plot here, the blue graph line belongs to Fuji apple, whereas the red graph line belongs to honey crisp. So as you can see that the Fuji apple is much harder than the honey crisp, and also much crunchier compared to the honey crisp. That's how we measure the hardness and the crispiness of the apple, or the crunchiness of the apple, and that also will tell us probably the apple is going to be ripe or not ripe. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. Stay safe, stay connected, and stay informed. For more information, please contact us at Amatech Brookfield at www.brookfieldengineering.com, or just call us at 800-628-8139. My colleague and I will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you.